Hi, everybody. Welcome to chapter 16. So you've gotten through kinetics, you've gotten through the introduction to equilibrium. I first want to make an announcement that the exams 1 and 2 have now been completed in terms of scoring. I made some adjustments. As you've noticed, that Alex will grade it either correct or incorrect. So I made some adjustments. So you want to go back to your exams, go back to exam 1, go back to exam 2, and look over your scores for each of the questions and then the overall score. It may have been adjusted. For some of you, it was not adjusted, but for others, it was. Now, the principles of chemical equilibrium that we looked at in chapter 15, we're going to continue with those a little bit in chapter 16. We're going to be beginning, I'm going to bring up the videos. Here we go. So these are the videos for chapter 16, which is acids and bases. So we'll begin, and some of you have probably already begun with this. We're going to begin with a discussion of the conjugate acids and conjugate bases with Bronsted-Lowry theory. Then we'll get into the pH scale. We'll look at strong acids and strong bases, then weak acids and weak bases, and then we'll get into conjugates more, some polyprotic acids, and then Lewis acids to wrap things up. So the point I would make about chapter 16 is that really each section is a skill set. Like you're learning a particular skill that you will use in chapter 17. So, look at each type of problem as, like an exercise, like you go to the gym and you do, I don't know, bicep curl or some squats or whatever. Each type of problem can be useful in chapter 17, okay? In 17, we'll look at more complex solutions. We'll look at mixtures, really. We'll look at buffers and we'll look at titration products. And then once we get closer to the dates there, I'll go ahead and put the videos up for that. So you have all the videos for chapter 16. If there's a particular problem that you're really having challenging time with, let me know. And keep at it, right? Just keep going with it. A point about the exams count towards your grade, but they're not a major part of your grade. So if you do poorly on one exam or 2 exams, it's not going to hurt you that much. The main focus in terms of your grading are the homework problems, getting that pie done by the end of the semester, as well as the virtual labs, making sure you're staying up to date on the virtual labs. Okay, so good luck with everything. Reach out to me if you have any questions. I will reach out if anything comes up. Take care.